So we've got a little research and development project here going on at the moment. Got the EV power van. This is a delivery van.
What is it, a Renault?
It's a Renault Trafic. It's a diesel, 2 litre diesel, turbocharged diesel. And this old battery here, this is the battery out the van. It's about 5 years old now, so and it's getting a bit tired. And so I got a lithium battery to put in it. It's similar. It's bigger than this battery, but this is the stylish thing. Yeah, you know, it's a lithium start battery. So we got one just to try out. And the battery in this van's actually in the floor there. If you have a look there, we've just replaced it with a lithium battery that's probably about 2/3 the size and about 1/3 of the weight. So let's see if it actually works. So I'll go around and try and start it. We've just installed it. Now remember, this is a diesel van, so it's got quite high compression. And on. Wow, that's starting way easier than it did with the lead acid battery. And that'd be pulling a few hundred amps out the battery.
And I just put this in, and it was straightforward, easy, no modifications. Pull the old one out and put the new one straight in. Even the feet that bolt it down, same bracket worked on the battery. The bigger battery's got a flange at the bottom that holds it down, same as this one. Yeah, epic.
So if you've got a Renault Trafic van, it's a straight swap. We'll give it a bit of testing, and then we might get some up on the EV Power website.